Imagine you're lying on your bed, staring at the ceiling. Suddenly you wonder, what if I'd said yes instead of no that day? Took that other job? Texted back? Now pause. What if someone exactly like you did? Same face, same mind, but a different life, in a different universe. And what if that version of you is watching this exact video, but in reverse? There's a theory so strange and fascinating that suggests this isn't the only universe, that somewhere out there you exist again, but slightly different. One version of you never broke up with your ex, one never got caught cheating on a math test, and one of you is a llama. Probably. Today we're talking about the multiverse, not the superhero version, but the real scientific idea that reality may be way bigger and weirder than we've ever imagined. In the simplest words ever, the multiverse means there might be many universes, not just this one. Each one has its own version of reality, some nearly identical to ours, some absolutely bonkers. Scientists break this idea down into 4 levels. Let's walk through them, and I promise by the end, you'll never look at your life the same way again. Level 1. Imagine our universe is a loaf of bread. Now imagine infinite slices. Each slice is a universe with the same physics, but different outcomes. In one of them, you have a slightly better haircut. In another, you said, "I love you" at the exact wrong time. They're all possible, because space could be infinite. Level 2. Now imagine that loaf has different ingredients, different laws of physics. Gravity might be stronger, light might move slower, time could bend like rubber. Some universes might collapse instantly, others might have completely alien life. It's not just a remix of Earth, it's a remix of reality itself. Level 3. This is where your brain might do backflips. Every time you make a choice, big or small, this theory says the universe splits. One version of you goes left, the other goes right. Eat the cookie? That's a universe. Don't eat it? Another one. Say yes to love? Another. Say no? Also another. An infinite tree of you branching out across the cosmos, just from your choices. Level 4. This is the deepest layer of madness. It says, if a mathematical equation can describe a universe, then that universe exists. Literally. There could be a universe made of only triangles, or a 2D flatland, or one where sentient cupcakes are at war with dancing forks. If math allows it, it's out there. Now, you're probably asking, is any of this actually real? And here's the honest answer. We don't know. There's no telescope that can look into universe number 47 and wave. But some of the smartest people in history, like Stephen Hawking, Brian Greene, and Max Tegmark, believe it might be possible. The math doesn't rule it out. And that's enough to make scientists curious and make you wonder. But here's what is real. You, right now, in this exact moment, existing against all odds in a universe where life is possible, and where your choices, however small, can change everything. So don't obsess over who you could have been, or who you are in some other version of existence. Focus on this version, the one that gets to decide what happens next. Be kind, take risks, hug people longer than you should, laugh when it's awkward, dream when it's scary. Because maybe, just maybe, in this infinite multiverse, you're the one version of you that truly figures it out. And hey, if that idea made your brain tingle a little, or your heart beat just a bit faster, stick around. This isn't just a video, it's a reminder that you are already part of something way bigger, way wilder, and way more beautiful than anyone ever told you. So go ahead, subscribe. Not for the algorithm, but for your curiosity, because the multiverse might be infinite. But this version of you only gets one shot. Let's make it count. Peace out.